Ever feel like math is a language you just don't speak? Like you're starting from zero, while everyone else seems to be a hero. I get it. I've been there. That's why this channel exists. Welcome to Zero to Math Hero. I'm Elisha, and I'm here to be your guide. This is your no judgment zone. Whether it's algebra that feels like a puzzle, calculus that looks like hieroglyphics, or prepping for a big test like the SAT, we are going to break it down together, one simple step-by-step lesson at a time. Think of me as your friendly math coach. My goal isn't just to give you answers, it's to build your understanding so you can face any problem and say, I got this. We will transform that frustration into strength, turn homework battles into victories. Week by week, we will bridge the gap from where you are to where you want to be. So, if you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start feeling empowered, hit that subscribe button. Let's connect, get you some resources, and start this journey from zero to hero together.